Hello everyone, this is your boy Apostle, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a milestone referral campaign using the milestone referral template, which you can find inside our template wizards in Viral Loops. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, to log in into your Viral Loops account and select to create a new campaign. Then you have to select the milestone referral template, select this template, and again select this template, and you will be redirected to the info step, and here you have to provide the basic info about your campaign. So first you have to give a name. I will call this Milestone Awesomeness, and also you have to provide a URL where you will host your campaign in case that you are doing this using a custom built website. If you don't have a website, you can also use Viral Loops pages, and we have a full tutorial about how to do it in our documentation, so make sure to watch it. I will check this box saying that I will use Viral Loops pages for the example, and after that you can select the Viral Loops link style, and you can make a choice among the modern, classic, and hidden. The modern has this pink beautiful heart right here. The classic has a more discreet grayish color, and also hidden right here, which is available only for power plan users or up. I will go with modern because I really like this heart, and I will press next. Okay, this is the milestones step, and here you can choose how you will reward your super fans, what your milestones will be. So we will start about the rewarding system. So you can choose among the options of reward them yourself with gifts related to your business. There is soon coming an option for you to reward them with Amazon gift cards, and you can also choose to reward them automatically through startup threads. If you're interested in that option, you can always learn more about this by pressing this link right here. So for now, I will leave the rewarding system to be gifts related to your business, and I will choose to reward them myself. So this is the option, and now on to the milestones. As you can see, by default you have 2 milestones. You can add more, so let's say we need a 3rd milestone, and the first milestone will be reached when one person brings in 1 successful referral, and then you can make a choice of what will happen next. So the next step is that when 1 referral is reached, then the participant will get an email, which you can edit from here. And inside here you can see this is the email they will receive, and of course you can customize everything. You can change the from name of the email, the from email address, the subject, the reply to address. Also you can use some merge tags we have here for you for the main body of the email, which of course is also customizable. So you can change the hello, the hi, the salutation. You can change the main content. You can change the button text, which the user will see here. Also the button background color and button text color. So let's say that we want this to be this light blue. There you have it. Also you can add some graphics such as a header image or a logo. You can send test emails to yourself just to make sure that the email looks exactly the way that you want it to look. And okay, and something really important here. You see right here, this is the button URL. you have to make sure that this link right here is exactly the same as the link that you've put in the info step. If you're using Viral Loops pages, then this will be set automatically. Great. Let's save this and go back to the milestone step. So in the same mindset, you can also choose to reward them manually and put a reward name there. I would like to send them an email first. Then the same exact steps apply for the second and the third milestone, or the fourth if you choose to have a fourth one. You can always change the values of successful referrals needed to attain a milestone. I will leave it as it is, and I will go to the next step, which is the widget step. So here you have the form widget, you have the milestone widget, and also you have the referral count widget. We will start from the form widget and we will select to customize it. Perfect. As you can see, you have a preview of the form widget right here, and you have two sub tabs here, the form state and the sharing state. We will start from the form state, which is the one that you see right here. You can change the heading, invite your friends and win, for example. The subheading, it's also customizable. I will just add an exclamation mark right here for the sake of the example. And also you can change the input fields, which is really important. So by default you have selected to have the first, the last name available and visible on the form, and also the email address, which you can see that is mandatory, so you cannot really eliminate it. So let's say that I only want the first name and I want it to be required or not required. I will leave it required. You can change the button color from here, so we will choose to use this light blue color that we had in the previous step. Also the font color you can change here. I will make it black for now, and I will turn it back to white because black looks awful. And also you can add some custom CSS in order to make the widget look in the way that you want, and you have to choose what's the next step after the form is submitted. You can either show the sharing state, which we will discuss in a bit, or redirect people to another page, which you have to, of course, put the link of it right here. I will choose to show the sharing state, and you can also put some GDPR fields in order to ask from users to give you consent to send them marketing activities. I think that you need to have this on your forms. Okay, let's go to the sharing state tab, and this is what the users will see after they submit their form. It's the sharing state, so invite friends and win. It might be like that. You have the button color. Let's say that I need something stronger, I need something red like this. You can change the font color. Of course you can add custom CSS to make them look exactly how you want them to look. Here you have the social media, which will be available for people to share about your campaign. So you have Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Reddit and email. All of them except from Reddit are selected by default, and also you have the option to copy the viral link, which is this one exactly right here, so people can grab the link directly and send it to their friends in whatever way they want. Now, a few more details. As you can see here, set up how Facebook sharing will look like. So in other words, you can set up your open graph for Facebook sharing, where when people try to share your campaign using this button right here. So you can write the title, you can write the description, you can provide a website name, and of course you can upload your own image for the post. I will leave this as it is for now. Also about Twitter, you can create a pre-populated tweet which can include your handle on Twitter, and people will tweet a message that you want them to tweet when they choose this option right here. I think we're good for now. Oh, and also about the email. So when somebody chooses to share about your campaign via email, you can create an email for them. So you may choose to use a different subject line than the one that is provided by default, and also the main body is fully customizable. As you can see here, there is also a merge tag, so you can use all of our merge tags. Okay, yes, I think we're good to go. So save this. We are back on the main menu of the widgets, and now let's go to see the milestone widget. So you can choose to customize. So here you have a preview of how the milestone widget will look like on your page, on your campaigns page. So you can change the primary color. Let's go for red. No, it's not too pretty. Okay, you can also change the font color, as you can see. Good, I will leave it to white. Of course, you can use custom CSS in order to change the appearance to something that appeals more to you. You can choose to show the referral count on the milestone widget. I like it like that. And of course, you can change the heading. As you can see, you can also change the text. Just below the counter, and from there you can change the image and the text for each milestone individually, as you can see here. So you can choose to upload a new picture for milestone number 1, for milestone number 2, and for milestone number 4. I will leave them as it is for now, and I will save them. This will lead me back to the main menu. Great. And now let's go to change and customize the referral count widget. Great. Let's see, you can customize the text, you can customize the heading. Good. Also the button color, I'll leave it to this red, just to match the look and feel of the previous steps. Of course, you can add your custom CSS and again make it to someone, and again turn it to something that appeals more to you. Okay, I will save this, and our widgets are ready. Time to go to the next step, which is the notifications. Here we are. So this step is about the messages sent through your campaign. So you have the welcome email and the successful referral email. You can choose to deactivate both of these or have only one of them active. I want them both. The welcome email is the first email that your participants will receive when they join your campaign. So let's go and edit this email. It is exactly in the same logic as the previous emails that we edit. So you can change the from name, the from email address, the subject, the reply to address. You can use merge tags. You can edit the main body of the email. You can change the button color from here. You can change the button text color and also the thank you message. Great. You can add a header image or a logo. You can send test emails to yourself. And of course, you shouldn't forget again to put in the button URL the exact same URL that you choose to put in the first step, the info step, when you started building your campaign. So I'll save this. And now to the successful referral email, edit email. Again, it's the exact same process. The only difference here is that you have a few more merge tags that we provide that you can use inside your email in order to make it more appealing. Also, don't forget to put the same URL as the one that you put in the info step. I will leave everything as it is. I'm going to save it. We are good to go from here. The next step is the integration step, from where you can integrate your campaign with your favorite services such as Slack, MailChimp, Google Analytics, MailJet, Segment.io, Facebook Pixel, Mixpanel, Zapier, Webhook, Custom JS, and we also have Intercom coming really soon. I will not do anything on this step, it doesn't really matter for us now. And on to the last step, which is the installation. Here you have two options. You can either set up Viral Loops by yourself if you have a custom built website, or use Viral Loops pages. As I told you in the beginning, we have a full tutorial on how you can use Viral Loops pages to set up a page for your campaign, so I'm not going to cover this right now. And let's say that you have your custom built website. From here you have all the instructions you might need in order to install your campaign on your website, as you can see here, step by step. And we also have some documentation if your website runs on WordPress, Shopify or Squarespace. Good. And after you set up everything that you see here on the steps here, you might as well press finish, and boom, your campaign is live. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope to see you soon. Keep being awesome. Peace.